Hey guys, we're gonna go meet up with the Baesk8 group today, go on a little group ride. Hoyt St is there with some awesome custom electric skateboards. We've got some t-shirts to give out today, courtesy of NoGasAllWatts.com. They got some great apparel for the electric vehicle enthusiast. Definitely check them out. All right, let's ride. What's up? What's up? Let's do it.
Yeah, we haven't done that in a while. Oh, that's right, I see it.
I got a few to give out.
Oh
but
shit! I like this bag.
You like that bag?
Dude,
I know. Look at that bag.
I would buy one.
Would you?
If you sell. No, seriously, I'll buy one to support you, and I'll rock it.
It's nice. This is something you would wear too.
Well, for Kevin, yeah.
What is this?
Look at this guy. That's fucking nice.
You don't got an Alienized backpack? What's wrong with you?
That's so cool.
Seriously,
I like
man,
that.
you should make
So-
a couple and sell them. I'd buy
Well,
one.
I got a store.
Okay.
So yeah, we got some shirts here from NoGasAllWatts.com.
Oh, that's cool. That is cool.
Batteries,
What's it? Batteries we trust.
And batteries press. That's the medium female.
That's
one, that
nice.
one.
I like that one.
I have
Oh,
3 if somebody wants to model them for me.
we'll have the good-looking guys do
Put it
it.
on? What size do you get?
Actually,
Nice.
nice.
Oh yeah? Good.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Wonderful t-shirts. So soft.
Johnner.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, this is our Hoyt St classic design.
Yeah. Which one is
This
this?
is our printed design.
Nice. Beautiful.
Yeah, and check out the bottom.
Oh, look at that. That's amazing. Nice.
Handcrafted in Portland, Oregon.
Nice. When did you guys release this?
Just a couple weeks ago.
Oh, brand
Just
new.
launched it. It's brand new.
Nice. They are beautiful boards. Well done. Very cool.